Yo, hold up. What's that sitting on that lawn? Pause. Oh, nah. That ain't no snowman, bruh. That's a big old pile of Cowboys doo-doo dressed up to impress. Look at it. Full of hot air, no substance, just sitting there, stinking up the block. Typical Dallas. Am I right there? Y'all let me know. Philly dogs must have handled business out here. Left that mess right where it belongs, on the lawn. The star and all. Hey, Cowboy fans, grab a scooper. Or better yet, call 911. It's a hazmat situation. Get them out of here, bums.